5 easy steps to visualizing your success today. You may not realize it, but you're already a powerful visualizer. You probably spend a lot of time imagining your life, but chances are you're more focused on worry and anxiety, not on making success your reality. How often do you think about that presentation or that date and imagine the worst possible outcome? If your inner monologue tends to revolve around potential mishaps or anxious what-ifs, then you need to switch up your visualizing. Time to accentuate the positive and welcome success into your life. 1. Know what you want. Elite sports players use this technique all the time to improve their performance and achieve their goals. They visualize scoring that goal or winning their race. Imagine if a pole vaulter looked at the vault and thought, "Oh man, that's high, I'll never do it." That's setting themselves up for failure, right? Instead, look at your deepest desire, be clear about it, and see yourself soaring over that pole. 2. Be clear about your goal. The secret sauce of visualizing success lies in the details. See yourself achieving or even surpassing your goal. Say our pole vaulter wants to clear 6 meters. Visualizing 6 meters isn't enough. They have to imagine 6.5, maybe even 7. Instead of a new job, visualize a promotion. Visualize being CEO. See yourself winning that prize. Visualize your personal best and see yourself smashing it. Think big and ask yourself, what would my life look like when I achieve my goal? 3. Feel your success. Once you have clarity on what you want, focus your attention on what success feels like. What emotions come up for you as you imagine yourself living that life of success? 4. Start making success happen. Success doesn't come overnight or all in a bunch. You can start making your successful life today by taking the baby steps you need to build your success on. Every day before you get out of bed, think of 3 things you can do that day to move you closer to achieving your dreams. 5. Stick to it. Successful people are persistent people. They know that true lasting success takes time and effort. There'll be setbacks and mishaps and plenty of challenges on the way. But if you have a purpose and a clear vision, you'll make it. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't give up. You have the power to change your reality to manifest success and happiness. You just have to start believing in the best possible outcomes, not the worst. Rev up your visualizing engine and get started. You can do it.